also somebody who is called, who's gifted to do that calling, and they have always were answers. So when we are doing the Mali, you'll notice that we face the four corners of the earth. When we offer food to our ancestors, you'll notice the reader or the glass, there's a cross on it, but it's not the Christian cross. The Christian cross is a crucifix. But the cross that we use is an indigenous cross because it splits the space, the circular space, in four equal parts. Whereas the Christian cross, the crucifix does not separate it in four equal parts. Now we go in a...
Yes, hello? Please?
Go. The cross?
Yeah, look, bring him.
Okay. I was saying that when we offer food or we have a container and we have to put a cross, we do not use the Christian cross. We use the indigenous cross, where we separate the space, the circular space, into four equal parts. Whereas the crucifix, it's not four equal parts. Four corners, but not four equal, right? And it shouldn't be a time when we're talking and over-gyrating or having too much fun, right? We leave that part for the ancestors. Because sometimes they visit us, they normally visit and manifest themselves, but we hope today had those problems, no visitation, no manifestation, no transformation, right? But normally, we begin from the direction this.
North.
West, right? We go west, then from west, where we go? In the first instance. We go like a clock. 12 o'clock, then we go this way, and then we go that way, and then we reverse. Because then you notice, we go out, and then we come in. We go out, and then we come in. So we're gathering and centering. We're gathering and centering, right? Back to the idea of unity, because that's what we are based on, the unity, right? And then we reverse, that's where we're scattering whatever else. So that in a nutshell is the significance of the Mali. So once we start, we want you to be respectful of it and participate and put yourself in it. We have been so Christianized that we forget our indigenous connection, that it is powerful as well. The religious people tell us that it's evil, and because it's not their way. This is our way. Why then is our way wrong and their way right? Who gives them that authority to do that claim? So we have to start to educate ourselves and embrace what we have, because our way is just as powerful. Sometimes we look at it more powerful, right? This is our way, and we don't kill ourselves in the name of Christ. They kill us in the name of Christianity. There's a war in the name of Christianity. We don't war. We are lovers, not fighters. So we'll begin with the first part, which is a shurut. Then we go into the Mali.
We gotta go. We can't show this part, right? I'm not going to show it. We gotta go. Good morning, everybody. Right, so again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We gotta go. Ayo. We're about to start the Mali, but ayo. Sorry, I can't show this part, but hey.
What is it?